This video is sponsored by codingskill.net. Please visit our sponsor. Let's work through the equal strings problem. We want to write a program to determine whether two strings are equal. The interface of the method consists of two string input parameters. It returns a Boolean. What is the base case? Base case is the smallest instance of the problem. In this case, it is two empty strings where the result is true. We will look at the linear recursive algorithm. In the problem decomposition step, we decrease the size of the problem by a unit. We discard one character from same position in both strings. We will omit the first character. Let's take a look at the recursion diagram. The inputs are two strings. The result for the given input is a Boolean that is calculated by checking every character from the beginning to the end of both strings. In the reduction step, we omit the first character from both strings. The result of the subproblem is a Boolean that is calculated by checking second character to the end of both strings. In the combination step, we need to logically AND the result of the subproblem with the check for first character in both strings. We can define a Boolean function for this problem. The equal method takes two parameters for strings s and t. We can return false if the string lengths are not the same. We can return true if string lengths are 0. Otherwise, we have s0 equals t0 and the function for the subproblem if n is greater than 0. Let's now look at tail recursive algorithm. We can add a short circuit evaluation using a base case. We will return false when two different characters are at the same position. Let's look at the recursion diagram. The inputs are s and t. The reduction step is the same as before. The result for the subproblem is the same as before. And the result for the problem is now from I equals 1 instead of 0. In the combination step, we now do nothing. We can now look at the code for tail recursive algorithm. The interface for equal method is the same as before. The first two base cases are the same as before. We add a new base case that returns false if the character is not the same in the two strings. The recursive case now has no ANDing with check for first character in both strings. Sign up for your free coding interview coaching call. Sign up for your free coaching call by going to codinginterview.coach.